Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Windows 11 build and exact PC model, so you download the right AMD package. Once done, create a restore point and plug the machine into power. This prevents interruptions. Next, close heavy apps to reduce conflicts, then download the AMD installer or auto detect tool. You're starting the actual update immediately. No extra waiting. So open the downloaded file and get ready to choose Express or Custom install options in the next step. Run the AMD installer and decide Express for a fast, full install or Custom if you want control. If you pick Custom, use the cleanup option to remove old drivers. This avoids conflicts, and then tick only the GPU or chipset components you need. Installer prompts will guide file extraction and package staging, so watch progress bars and messages. Make sure to accept any driver signature prompts. Once the installer finishes, reboot when prompted to finalize driver integration, and to let Windows reinitialize. After reboot, verify the new driver in Device Manager and open AMD software. Adrenaline Edition to check version and settings. If you experience crashes or display artifacts, first roll back the driver in Device Manager. That's quick and reversible. If rollback fails, boot to safe mode and reinstall the AMD package. For stubborn conflicts, run Display Driver Uninstaller to fully remove drivers, then reinstall the latest AMD release. One troubleshooting tip: keep a restore point and external driver copy to revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.